So another key concept is tokens. So tokens is nothing but count of text sent and received from ChatGPT server. Okay, so it is request and response both, as I told you. So ChatGPT charges based on tokens. So whatever number of tokens I have shown in the last video regarding the tokenizer. So you must have understood how to use the tokens actually, and how it divides the text into the tokens. Max tokens are depending upon the model. So you can instruct your ChatGPT server that okay, I want only 100 tokens at the max. So you can have any number of token actually. The maximum number is, I think, in some models it's 4096, in some models it is 8192. I have already covered that in my next sections. You will understand in which model how many tokens you can max tokens you can save. So model names are Da Vinci, Curie, Edia, Babbage, etc. There are so many models actually. At present I think there are 64 models. I have created video also on this. So but you don't need to understand everything. Depending upon your use case, you need to use that. For example, Dell E is a model which is used for image generation. If you want to create these images, then only you will need that model. Let's say Whisper, you want to do it, change from text to speech, then you will need Whisper. So this is the example I am giving. Whatever models are there, you cannot use every model. That is depending on what use case you are implementing. So you can check token counts on this link. I have already shown you in the last video, but this is the link which you can open and check yourself. After that, the consideration is, this is the approximation. This is not a real value, but you can consider this is a near about truth. So one token is near about 4 characters. Okay, so you can consider 100 tokens is near about to 75 words. So this is again approximate estimate. They have calculated on the average basis actually, and it also depends on the language also. For example, Chinese and Japanese language may have less number of words in one token or whatever. So these are dependent on different criteria and their things. So if you want to calculate the token, get the token count programming way, you can use tick token if you are using Python library. I have given the link here actually. Its name is tick token. You need to install using the command pip install tick token and start using it. And if you want JavaScript library for that, you can use GPT-3 which will tell you before even sending to server, it can tell you how many tokens are there in your text, so that you understand and make necessary changes. If you have some budget constraint and you want to save your money, this is very important. So you can integrate into your code before sending. Try to see how many tokens are there actually. Okay, so this is very important use case. You can install using npm install GPT-3 This is the command to install. You can install on Node.js, React.js, AngularJS, any JavaScript functionality wherein you are writing this code and integrating.